Welcome back. Now, in this video, we are going to create written content. And one of the ways that we can do that on our iPhone is that we can speak the content into our mic. And for this process, you won't need an external microphone. You can actually use the internal microphone that comes with your iPhone. In this case, we're going to open up the Notes app, which comes with your iPhone. Now, you're probably going to want to make sure that you have updated your operating system to the most recent, and you are then going to want to open up the Notes app. Once we open up the Notes app, we're going to click the right-hand corner. That's going to bring us to this new document. Now, obviously, we can type out this document with our fingers. What we're going to do is we're going to use the text-to-speech. And all we need to do in order to do that is to click the microphone and then dictate the content into our Notes application. There are going to be a few commands that you're going to want to understand in order to get started. When you get to the end of a sentence, you're going to want to say the word period. When you want to go to a new line, you'll need to say the words new line. When you want to start a new paragraph, you're going to want to say the words new paragraph. If you know those three commands, you'll be able to get started. And of course, you can follow the same logic by using words like exclamation point and question mark when you hit those sections. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click the microphone at the very bottom next to the space key, and we're going to dictate some content into the Notes application. There are a small number of voices in business advice and consulting that you'll hear talking about what small companies need to do to market themselves, period. You'll hear them on business-related programming on television, semicolon. You'll see their articles in magazines and you'll read their columns in newspapers, period. If you are a frequent blog reader, you'll see a multitude of opinions across the internet on what's most important in marketing, period. So we just click the keyboard in order to stop the iPhone from listening to us while we continue to talk about what we're doing. Now, obviously, we are able to dictate content faster than we're able to type or write it into our iPhone. So if you have content that you'd like to read into the iPhone, you can do that. Or if you can create out of your head and you can speak into the iPhone, you can do it this way also. Of course, once you have completed the document or you've completed the session where you're going to be writing, you can then click the Done button. And of course, once you have completed this work, you'll need to then to be able to edit your document. So this is how you'll be able to create text inside of your iPhone. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.